Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make text fade in and fade out animation in Premiere Pro. First, just click on the text tool and tap on your frame and type in the text that you want to add the animation to, and then you can align it using the edit section. I'm just going to align it to the center, and once you have done that, let's go to the effects and search for linear white, and we drag it to the text layer twice. So that was the first one and the second one. Now select text layer and go to the effect controls. And as you can see, we have two linear wipes right here. For the first linear wipe, we click on the toggle animation beside the transition completion and set it to 100. For the wipe angle, we set it to -90, and for the feather, we set it to 900. Once you have done that, let's move the timeline slider ahead a couple seconds, and we change the transition completion to 0, and that should automatically add this keyframe right here. For the second linear wipe, we click the watch or toggle animation beside the transition completion, and we set the feather to 900. And then we move the timeline slider again a couple seconds forward, and we change the linear completion for the second linear wipe to 100. And that should create another keyframe. And once we play it, it should show up like this. And that is how you can basically make text fade in and fade out animation in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.